Multi-Tasman X-Ray showcases the Channel Islands Raceway for the hot race event. Meanwhile, the dirt DNC is in building phase. Ronnefalk with his Mayako machines with Corsa Tech engines will be there. Savoya with his USA special body will be there with his Kyosho machines, buggy and draggy, and Pico engines. Gotzl moves to Elceram, a new electronic speed control company from Europe. Tegesi in Italy with the Elasi tuned engines. This is the lineup for the new 1/8 scale buggy Matrix tires. Bertin is testing them somewhere in France. X-Ray X12 top options presented by X-Ray. X-Ray X4F Aluflex chassis 2 mm option. J-Concept Swagger 1/8 scale tire and Nessie 1/8 scale tire, most probably for carpet and AstroTurf surfaces.